Good morning, guys. Good morning. Fix my headphones. Got 1 minute till the open here. Should be all set. Let's hopefully have another good day today. All right. We have 30 seconds almost. I'm on the wrong time frame here. Copy trader's working. Market hasn't really moved much overnight, so damn. Hopefully the long continues. Nope. Maybe. Nope. The long just happened to be right before the open. It kind of ruined it. All right. I'm gonna try to make it back on this pro account here on micros. I don't know why this move happened right before the open. It kind of ruined it. Okay, we had resistance here. I didn't look. Okay. Makes sense. Annoying, but we'll live with it. How am I going with 10 to 15 daily accounts? 5 take profits, 5 lucid, and 5 my fund futures. Maybe I'll do Tradify as well, but my fund futures is end of day now, which is dangerous, but hopefully it works out. Good morning, Bella. Having a red day today, unfortunately, but yeah, I should have waited for that to clear. My goal is to get as many accounts to buffer before I trade them more. So I'm not gonna trade my accounts once I get to buffer. It was a bad ORB, so you didn't miss much. It's so annoying, so frustrating. Hmm. I'm gonna have to start jumping in longs because the longs are very, very strong. So there's not gonna be many pullbacks. Even overnight, barely pulled back. I mean, look at this, and we're back at 30,000. Quite insane. Quite insane. Let's take a look at the daily because that's pretty insane. So that was the ORB here. Unfortunately, I had no chance with the squeeze before the open and the resistance there. So I kind of should have waited patiently, but I did not. Try to do better next time. I'll start a long here if I can. Whoa. All right. Big rejection of 30,000, I guess. Whoa. Why? Why is this happening? Like what caused this 100-point candle in 2 seconds? See, they trap some shorts. Maybe it's tomorrow then. Maybe it starts tomorrow. I don't know. I thought it was today, but maybe tomorrow. Matt Leach said tomorrow we're gonna start end of day, and I thought he tweeted that yesterday. Maybe he tweeted it like late night. I don't know. We're getting into range, which I like. How many accounts I copy trade at once? It depends. I don't have a rule. Opening trade I do quite a lot, but then the rest I don't do many. Like now I'm trading one account at a time. I'm probably not gonna touch anything besides maybe these two accounts today. Like these red ones, I'm not gonna bother with them probably. Would like to make back some of the pro loss and then wow. What a fill. Terrible fill. A lot of lag. What a squeeze. Jesus. I want to get back in. Missed it. I mean, the chop is so much easier to trade. I don't I don't know about you guys, but this price action, like, if I had a lot of confidence that it's not gonna trend, this is the price action I make the most money in. 100-point range. I mean, this is so good. We just gotta come back. We just gotta come back down now. Come on. No. Well, if you're making 20, 30K a month, that's good living, if you ask me. Good living is probably 12K a month in the US, obviously in different parts of the world. Because you gotta, you can't just look at, you can't look at having a 10 to 12K a month and saying, oh, that's great living because if I make that 12 months out of the year, that's good money. No, it's like you're gonna have months where you're not gonna make money, so you have to balance it out. Tyler, how we doing? The only thing is like a lot of the props you will not be able to continuously make money with, right? You're gonna get pushed to live, and then if you lose those live accounts, it's not the same to recover. So keep that in mind. So take profit trader right now is the best. Man, I just wish I got filled there. Gosh, damn it. Well, I'm just gonna keep moving up because this NASDAQ is gonna be a strong NASDAQ again. We're breaking out. Too bad I couldn't break out here the first attempt. Hopefully it gives us enough. Or you know what I'm gonna do? Jimbo, let's be nice. Yeah, nano contracts are gonna be interesting if there's gonna be enough volume in them. That's gonna be good. Um, I mean, the commissions are gonna be insane, probably, my guess. But they're only gonna be good when the market's like this. When the market's slow, nano contracts are gonna be so slow. It's not even gonna. You're not gonna make any like money. But I guess it would be cool to be able to scale in and scale out. So you'll be like trading shares. You know, like a good trader might trade 5,000 shares of a stock. So it'd be good to do that when you get in like 300 contracts and you could just scale out. You know, scale in, scale out, and like that's probably something what I would do. Making $200 to $300 daily. How many accounts? Well, you guys are trying to do the math kind of incorrectly because that's the perfect world. It's trading is everything but that. Well, Miss K, we took another step backwards today, so Golfy is further away now, further away from payouts. Overnight, I did $200 on Bull Knox. Pretty cool. So a little chase entry, so like $40 is plenty here. I love bull markets. Come on. You should teach. I can't teach when I suck so bad. You can't teach and suck. Like some people think it's okay to teach when they suck, but I have too much experience with traders who can't trade that, try to teach. Experienced it myself. Mostly in stock trading. I paid for chat rooms and stuff. I suck. So I'm gonna be a guest on the channel. I don't know if I can announce it yet or anything, so I'm gonna save that for now. But I will be on a stream where we'll talk about all of this because I want to show people that you could suck at trading and still make money. I guess that's the point of my channel. You just need one little edge. That's all you need. Wow. Portfolio's almost back to the highs. I love this. Investing is fun. The Aston is definitely nice, but definitely needs the exhaust, and I can't get the exhaust for a while, so kind of sucks. And I got first place I got quoted from was $7,000 to install the exhaust. So I'm looking for other options. Because that's insane. Come on, range. Come back down. Let's get back into the range. I need it. I want to get this account back to even at least. So we need like $300 more. Golfy is heading towards the unemployment line. Yeah, he's already on unemployment right now. Maybe he'll come back. I don't know when. We need a streak of winning days, like a big streak. Otherwise, it's tough. All right, that's a nice candle there. But can it go lower? Can we go lower? Just in case it doesn't go lower. I also want to trade that. So Whippy, yeah, you gotta definitely place your orders, because if you try to like jump in, like when I sold this, the price was here and I clicked sell and it filled me there. Like you gotta just place your orders because it's so wicky that you're gonna get crazy fills. Almost every candle has a wick. All right, come on. Not getting that fill. Then jump in one here. This might come back down to the lows. I wouldn't mind that though. Just not below. It should be out of out of the lucid one. Damn, shame I didn't get filled here. All right, this might pull back more now, so I'm gonna probably get out. Yeah, I'm just gonna get out and then restart lower. I have some legacy accounts, yeah. Some legacy, some new ones. I don't even know which ones are which. I'm trying not to think about it. I still have a couple others that I passed. I gotta activate the 150Ks. I kind of want to just do 150Ks with Apex because I feel like that's the only way I could do it. Okay, got filled. My goodness, I love bullish markets. That was $75 right there. In an instant. 40 points. If Apex moves you to live after 6 payout, what if you have other accounts not at 6 payout? That's the issue. That's the accounts that are going to go to the vault. So if you want to trade with Apex and you want to get big payouts, you have to have the account synchronized. Otherwise, you could risk of getting pushed to live before you get payouts with all the accounts. So I would only do it if you're looking to get like into 10 accounts or more. That's kind of going to be my goal. My goal is to get to buffer right now. This is like the plan for the next couple of weeks. Get to the buffer and don't trade the account. I want to get like at least 10, 15 accounts to the buffer. Well, I'm surely buying this again. Whoa. Come on. Man, I wish I was trading minis with this market. I mean, it's probably a little too volatile, but man, it's respecting the levels nicely. Boom. Out. If I make this loss back, that would be crazy. It just shows you how long it takes with micros. It just shows you how long it takes to make money with micros, though. How many trades I need. What I lost in 10 seconds, I gotta take a million trades on to make that back. right, we're going back up to the highs. I wouldn't mind buying 20s again, in case we just keep making higher lows here. Donna, good morning. Hit that like button, guys. We will do another giveaway today. $10 news. 10 o'clock news. My data is all messed up on Lucid here, but come on. You kidding me? How we get missed? Oh wait, we got filled. Nice. Get back to the 20s. Now to retest the lows again. Violent. Chased it there a little bit. We'll stop that out if it goes lower. Let's see if this bottom actually holds here. I really hope it does. I'm not gonna fight for a couple dollars here. I'm just gonna take one off just to. Take one off on this. Take one more off. Nice. Come on, baby. What a range. Just gotta trust it. Just gotta trust it. Crazy volatility. Yeah, I mean, I just love the range. I like volatile ranges. But my first entry here is kind of ruining the trade here otherwise. Like on Lucid, it's a very nice trade so far. Could still turn sour, but damn, just got missed a couple points. I go on this side of the 20. All right, we got out of 2 contracts for profit, so we're just in this contract now. Come on. It's struggling a little bit. I just hope it just traps shorts who think this is weak. And sell up here at 40, 50. Okay, we're out of Lucid. Come on, push. Like I want to make some profit on this contract because I sold this one here. I sold this one here. So I would like to sell this one above 20, but it might be tough. It might be tough to do that. feel like it might just retest 80 and then come back. Come on, a little bit more. I want 40s. All right, break even. Break even on the last one, but we'll rebuy it right at 80. Rebuy 80 and 20. And I have to maybe avoid buying the top of the range until we actually break out of it. So I made back half my loss, which is basically my ORB win. So what I'm down on the TPT Pro on this account is what I'm, one ORB basically. Or we're back in. And I gotta go turn down my AC. I don't know why. Some days it just keeps blowing like crazy. Nice trap. Wow. So easy. If market was like this all the time, my goodness. This is my favorite market. I might be crazy. This is what most people hate, but this is what I love. This is my favorite type of market. I keep buying the 20 still. I'm gonna go turn down the AC. We'll be right back. That's 69 degrees, like crazy cold. Come on. If I win on this, I'm gonna switch over to the Lucid account. I'm still gonna trade this one, but I'm gonna work on the Lucid more. I'll be less aggressive on this one. Okay, we got out down 240. So I made $540 back. It's pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna switch over to the Lucid here. Hopefully it loads properly for us. Having issues with bull locks. I mean, with Lucid. I'll log out and log back in. Maybe that'll help. Damn, I got so many texts. Yeah, why is the data like loading? All right, we're back. All right, so now Lucid, we're just gonna be more aggressive on. Very happy with today's intraday trading. Not so much the ORB. If ORB would have won today, we would have had a great day. I would have traded another account. No way. No way. That we gotta get in. We got missed there by like a couple ticks. This might break down. I mean, we haven't made new highs. Got to be more careful now. We have not made new highs in the last 3 attempts or more, if you count these. So we might get a deeper pullback eventually. Which I would not mind. These deeper pullbacks are the ones you can make so much money on. Versus these shallow ones, you're just scalping for a few points. I'm going to stop out, I think, below here, or now I'm going to just stop out here. I just don't like it as much. For now, we're just going to think about it. If it goes back to the highs, then I'll rebuy it. But for now, it's just struggling. Could squeeze, but let's see what happens. I think it needs to make a move in one direction before we decide. Yeah, nano contracts are gonna be kind of cool, but at the same time, if the commissions are too high, it's gonna suck. But I wouldn't mind buying like 200 contracts and then just scaling out, scaling in, scaling out. I would trade all day. Yeah, commissions are gonna be bad. Commissions are already bad on micros. Yeah, DCA is gonna be amazing. That's the best part. Unless prop firms ban DCAing again, which would be silly. The whole point of Nano would be to DCA. Scale in. That's what it's called. Right? Scaling in. All right, we got in one. I'm gonna get the second one here. That was a good read on my end. So now we're gonna have like this triangle here where, or a wedge. So which side is gonna break first? We keep making higher lows and lower highs. Definitely feels like we have way more room to the downside because we just ripped so much. I also have an order out on this. Come on. Just got missed. So this one I'm gonna be less aggressive on. I'll move it down here. Yeah, she is collapsing. All right, we're gonna take one off break even if we can. I don't know what I should make to make profit on this. I feel like it's a little weak. But that's when the big bounces have come before. Our average is 36 now. So from 36, if we could get back up to 80, that'd be great. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Do it. Look at these huge wicks. Do we rebuy it or is it gonna go lower? That's the question. Are they gonna raise the prices? I don't know. I just hope they survive. I really do. Not my funded futures will survive. I just saying I hope the accounts survive. They might have to take them off quick. I have one with my funded futures. One account. Man, what a great day on micros today. Damn. But we are definitely in a like downtrending pattern right now. So just gonna be careful here. Doesn't mean we can't make money long because it keeps bouncing, but I just don't want to get caught in a big sell off. But see, micros can add up. It's just when I did so much damage with the opening range, I made a lot of money with micros over $500, but it's just you don't see it because I'm digging out a hole. Digging out of a hole, I should say. All right, looks like Matt announced it, so I'll be on Trades by Matt's channel on Friday as a guest. So you guys will tune in to CBM. Okay, we are in on Take Profit account and on Lucid. See how far this could sell off though. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna be nervous, so it's gonna be bad to trade, but hopefully the market's doing what it's doing today and I'll be fine. But and it's gonna be a cool conversation, I guess. Tell my story again, how we got into trading and all the details. I will most likely stream a little bit after on my channel as well before I go play golf. Damn, my entry is that much worse on Take Profit Trader? Let's get back up to 920 market. Come on, you can do it. Yes. I'm not going to be as greedy on Take Profit Trader because I'm already pretty much happy with the day on that. This font needs to be smaller. Yeah, I didn't get that. That's right. I always mess up when I'm a near payout. When you're near the payout, things change. Been there, done that. Even Even passing eval, same thing when you're close. But tell me more about it. What prop firm? What happened? How bad was the mess up? Oh, never mind. I just hear a message above that. That means you blew the accounts. But tell me like more if you want to talk about it, of course. Tell me more. How many days did you trade? How far away were you from payout as far as profits go? Damn, so close there. Now we're just gonna sell off. With this scalping method, yes, around 80-20 levels. Especially on a range day like this. It's great. But right now we're kind of losing that range. I should have gone out here. I kind of got greedy. Kind of got greedy there. There should have been a re-entry by now or be out of the trade, but hopefully give us a chance. Nope. Oh man. I think I need to change my screen. Because when I look down and I don't move for a while, it looks like I'm sleeping. Because I look down on my screen that I'm trading on. The screen you guys see, it's down. Everything else is above, but the screen I'm trading on is below my eye level. It's probably not good for ergonomics either. Five evals in the last hour. I'm sure someone tops it. But yeah, today is a tough day for evals if you're trying to like pass them quick. See if we get fill on the second contract here and get out. I'm gonna add. I feel like it's just gonna bounce. I feel like the trend is developing now, and gotta be more careful. But again, I should have been out. This entry right here was plenty of profit. Maybe I'll just get out. Maybe I'll just get out. I don't know. Not liking this as much anymore. Seems heavy. It might turn though. My old trading model. What's my old trading model? Which one? I'm doing the same thing right now. It's just I'm trading micros and having wider stops. I'll be Friday 20. No, I don't know. Come on, just go up. Yeah, I would like to just get out because now I could get out for break even here on this trade, but then if it just goes, I'm not in any sort of trouble yet, so it's like still want to make some money on this trade if I can. What if we start bouncing all the way back to the highs now? The market's better this year than last year. I feel like it's, for me, it's month to month. For me, I really need the opening to be clear. If it's not, I'm always going to struggle a little bit. That's the reality of it. I can make some money outside of that, but it's so much easier when the opening goes well. But for the opening, I really need 150K accounts. Otherwise, it's like I'm oversizing on the 50Ks. I need to go on like a 10-day winning streak and then we'll be fine. All right, I'm just going to trail this now. I'm just going to trail it. If it doesn't want to go, I'll still rebuy at 820, but at least I'll be out of this. Break even. I actually would be in profit right here. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Can we get one of these candles to the upside now? Damn, 9 days, bro. You crazy. I don't know what your perfect setup is, so I can't. I don't know what my perfect setup is either. Every time I look for a perfect setup, I mess up. I'm all right. No complaints. Things are slow with trading, but hopefully it'll pick back up. All right, I'm out of there. 417. So we made back 350 so far on this and like 570 on that. TPT account. So made a lot of money on micros today. It's just you can't see any of it, which sucks. Frustrating. Pine Tree, what's going on, bro? I'll be on TBM on Friday, Pine Tree. I'm excited. I don't do a lot of guest appearances, so that's going to be my first guest appearance. You do it every day on My Funded Futures, so you kind of, well, it's, I guess My Funded Futures is different because you're not a guest, you're actually hosting the show. And my trading is so bad right now that, I don't have the confidence to so I'm gonna do more of like telling the story type of thing. Miss K, what's happening? But it's crazy when you look at the 150K account versus the 50K account. Like my loss seems so small on the 150K account, but it seems so big on the 50Ks. Yeah, we're just downtrending now. Oh yeah, I did. I forgot about that. And that was in person too. Okay, let's try this one more time. I just want to be back to basically my RB loss. Kind of got stuck sending an email there, so I missed that. Again, should be out for profit, and I'm fighting the trend, so I got to be more careful here. Yes, it's so much better. Is it? I don't know. Come on. There we go. And just take that off there. Wow, down 130. I am proud of myself today. Okay, stopped out there. Holy crap, you can make a lot of money with micros, guys. Just gotta trade a lot. But the day goes a lot faster when you're trading. I love scalping. So I could trade like this all day as long as the price action would allow it. I'm just texting shops to see the price. $7,000 by me is just too much. When you get a losing trade, do you generally stop trading those accounts? Just trying to understand your risk. No, depends. Like I'm trading a little bit different right now. Is my goal is to get to as many accounts as I can funded, and then get as many accounts to buffer. And once I get to the buffer, I'm gonna decide what I want to do exactly. But for now, the goal is to get to the buffer. And once I get to the buffer, don't trade those accounts until I have at least 10 at the buffer. I feel like right now I would want to chase the payouts on a single account, and then it's just not worth it. I think if I just go to, you know, go through the trenches, get everything to the buffer slowly, then the payouts will start coming in. But the accounts I just want to make back the losses on are the Lucid and the daily payout accounts, basically. The Lucid, the Take Profit Trader, and my funded futures, but I haven't traded that yet. The Apex accounts and the Bull and Lux accounts, I don't really care to make the losses back. Kind of depends. I don't really have a structure for it. It's just, but now the market's trending down, so I got to be more careful. But it's trending down in a way where you could still make money longing. It's just you got to sell for quick pops and you got to buy at support and at the level. Otherwise, if you chase, you might get stuck. But it might turn around. How come it's not showing me the opening range low? Oh, yeah. So you could see how that's reacting. Kind of want to start looking at the first hour. How about the likes? How are the likes looking, guys? Because we have to do a giveaway before the end of the stream if we get to 100 likes. But right now, you guys are slacking. Right now, we only have 43 likes, which is not good. Price action is slowing down so much. I'm gonna order myself some eggs. Huevos. I guess we're going back up. Did we start buying the dips again? Let's see. You know, we use that word the same way you use the word balls. Yes, in Polish, it's the same way. Probably every language is the same except English. You have Poland roots? Yeah, I'm Polish. 100%. I was born there. I was almost a teenager when I came to the US. Actually, it's gonna be 25-year anniversary in 2 weeks, I believe. Did your parents have a Polski when you were growing up? What does that mean? You've been in New Jersey since you went to the US? Yes. North Jersey. Not sure which way I want to do this, guys. I want to keep trading this, but we are starting to kind of make some higher lows. No, my parents had a Pontiac. They brought it from here, from the US. I don't know what made them buy that car of all cars. But because my parents started to come here when I was maybe 4 years old. Clyde, I think you're gonna be talking about the fiat. I think you might be talking about this car. Yep, a lot of people had it. My uncle had it. I don't think my parents ever had one. They might have before me, but I don't know. Those cars were rear-engined. Like a mini 911. Yeah, those cars were from 1970s. Then there was a bigger one too. There was like a 4-door. This thing. And it was fine. Life was good. There was another car brand I'm trying to pull on this. And there was this thing. This thing actually looks pretty nice. Damn. That gearbox was located. I guess there's no airbags back then, huh? When did airbags get invented? Or become standard? Not required, but standard. 1998. Wow. Oh wow, we're in the trade. Didn't even see. Beautiful entry there. I might get a little greedy on this one, but why not? That's a Prime entry. Look at that. Come on. Don't make me get out sooner. No way. It's gonna make me get out. Come on. That would be such a nice trade right there. I mean, this could go to 880, no problem. That moving average is causing it to slow down, but what an entry. Down 228 from 770. Two accounts individually traded, made back so much. Wish I could trade like that every day. We would be in good hands, especially if the ORB works. Oof. Can we get 100 likes, guys? Can we get 100 likes? Because my food's gonna be here. I'm gonna take a quick break to go eat. I'm gonna go eat outside. I mean, I'm very happy with with this last trade. 60 points. Just wish I was trading minis, not micros. But we still can't make a higher low and a higher high. Still trending down. Kind of want to trade some other accounts to get some more green on the board. upgrade one more lucid. I'm gonna activate another lucid and we could try trading that. I'm tempted to go back in. Guess the account got activated, so they logged me out. See what time my meetings are. I should go play some golf. I have a meeting today. 6:15, damn it. It's like in the middle of maybe I'll just go by my parents' house for a little bit. All right, so it looks like rapid end of day is active. Up to 10K per day, 90-10 split, no daily loss limit. Daily payouts, 20% off. See how they do. Let me see what the cost is. $126. That's not bad at all. Buying. Isn't that better than TPT now? Yep. The only thing that's bad about TPT is probably the live accounts, I'm assuming, but I'm not sure. It's gonna be difficult. It's gonna be a difficult thing to sustain, in my opinion. The hedging is gonna be unreal. The eval, I think, is 30%. Yeah, very good point, Dream Chaser. It's like $4,500 in drawdown trailing is better than $2,000 end of day. You still have more drawdown with 4,500 trailing. I'm gonna jump in. I feel like we are starting to find the bottom here, so I'm gonna jump in at basically 820. Unbelievable. So good. Today feels like such a good day, even though it's a red day. So rare, but so rare to feel good about a red day. Well, this is a new one, so we're gonna start trading this one. Get some green on the board. Getting very slow now. Still can make money though if you just place your orders and wait. All right, first trade on the new account. See how that goes. Go for $50 there. My food should be here any minute. Come on, guys, hit that like button. We will do a giveaway. We'll do an Apex giveaway. But if we get to 100 likes, we'll upgrade it to TPT giveaway. Get our $50, please. Does my fund futures have buffer for payout on rapid planning? Yes, 2100. Anything over 2100 you could take out. Damn, just got missed on that one. Here we go. First $50 on a new account. Let's go. But we'll see what happens there. All right, my food's here, so I'm gonna start the giveaway. I'm gonna do the giveaway the old school way since I'm not gonna be here anyway. So I'm just gonna go eat outside really quick, enjoy some fresh air. All right, guys, I'll be right back. We're gonna get some strength now. Well, this Uber driver is lost, so I didn't get my food yet. I've been trying to contact him. People are just so, I don't know if they're retarded or they just can't use an actual GPS. I don't know. The location was kind of off. I don't know. The Uber app. So we're gonna do a giveaway now. Giveaway time now. 80 people. Okay. Wait, we're in the trade. We are in the trade, I see. It's all good though. All right. 1 minute till giveaway. 1 minute. My food's gonna be cold, so I'm not even gonna eat it. I'm just gonna go get something else. For lunch, no one wants to eat soggy cold eggs. I told him make it right, and it's right there, and then he went the other way. So I'm gonna make sure that tip is also lowered. Oh, it says it's arriving now. Or so silly. I guess I can't change the tip. You can only add a tip. You can't change the tip. All right, giveaway time. So did we get to 100 likes? Let's see. We did. So the giveaway is for Take Profit Trader. Closing the entries in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Entries are closed. We're going to pick one winner. They must be present. Well, they don't have to be present, but it's up to them. If they're not present, they don't win. 1, 2, and 3. Jimmy. Jimmy, are you here? Okay, we're in the second contract. And the Bears are definitely taking over a little bit. And we're about to lose the support. Okay, my food's here now, so kind of a weird spot now. Because the food's gonna be cold. I'll just bring it here. Screw it. Yeah, Jimmy, I'm just gonna need your take profit trader email address. Oh, I'm in the other account too. You guys don't have to watch me eat. So weak now, damn. I'm eating, Miss K. Wow. I'm gonna cut this one off and then work on this one. I cut that at the bottom. No, not really. Shouldn't just gone out. I think it's time to call it a day. I got your email, Jimmy. Yeah, I should have just sold that. Damn, market just started selling off slowly, and now is that the same email you use for Take Profit Trader? Okay, I see that you included it. Got it. So they're gonna send you credits. So check your credit bank like later today. I just sent it over, so the Take Profit Trader people have to send it over to you. Uh-oh. I just got an email. Thank you for your email. I am currently out of office and will return on Friday. So yeah, I don't know if they're gonna transfer it. Sorry. That's an issue. I mean, it's Wednesday already, so not the end of the world, but we just can't seem to bounce. We're bouncing, but I'm just trying to make too much profit, I think. This is gonna be my last trade for now. I'm ready to go about my day. I could get out of this. So break even is around 750 on this trade. Come on, just rip it. All right, break even stop. If it goes to 780, we'll make some profits. If it doesn't, then we're out. All right. I'm out. So down 177 from 777. So I made back $500 or $600 actually. Yeah, $600 made back on these two accounts. Pretty happy with that, with one micro at a time. So ORB was lost. That's why it's a red day. Outside of the ORB, it's been a green day, and it's been a good day. So I'll see you guys on Thursday, and then Friday we'll be with TBM in the morning. So trades by Matt. I'll be on his stream Friday morning until probably 10:30 or so, and then I'll jump on for a little bit after that. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Be good. Be careful with the markets.